This is Nora with NAQ57, and today we are going to have fun creating a Valentine's mani using some chrome powders and a color changing regular polish, as well as, and this is critical, a clear builder gel. I am going to create that design on these tips right here that later I'm going to put them on my hands or on my nails for photos. We're going to use a dotting tool, and I have here my handy dandy Model 1's battery operated 6-watt lamp for flash curing, just for easy. Let's see if I can, so I don't have to go straight into the lamp. So I have these tips here already finished with Madame Glam's Perfect White, 2 coats of it, and also top coat. I used the Azura white free top coat. So these are done, okay, and all I have to do is just start with the art now. So, and I think I'm calling this design Moody Hearts. We shall see how they go, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started and let you guys watch. If I need to come in to give you some instructions and let you know what I'm doing, I will go ahead and explain myself through the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so far what I've had here, I went ahead and applied the pink color over the white, and the pink powder that I used, this chrome powder, is by iMethod. I will go ahead and have their link down in the description bar below. This is available on Amazon. And then the pink polish is this one by Beauty Big Bang, is the 013. I will have the link to this one also down in the description bar below. And this next step is where I'm going to use my builder gel, and I'm going to use my dotting tool, and I'm going to start with the chrome nails. The nails with the regular polish, those have to be absolutely 100% dry before I duplicate this design on those as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the middle nail. Okay guys, now that I've completed creating all the hearts on the nails, the ones that have the regular polish, I'm going to go with acetone and remove the regular polish. Just rub that off. Now for the other two, since they're just powders, we can do the same thing with alcohol. We do not need to use acetone. Guys, so here are the tips on my nails. Straight out of the lamp, I went ahead and applied the final gel top coat and I applied them on my nails, and that's why you see these two already in their light pink state. That's how they are when they are warm, and they're starting to change already. So what do you guys think? Do you have a favorite? Do you like the color changing ones better or the chromes? And yeah, I mean, all my hearts are not all perfect, but they're pretty good. One thing that I will tell you when working with a builder gel like that, one thing that you have to watch is that tail. I don't know if you caught that from me doing the hearts, but you really got to catch that tail, because it is that string before unattaching the dotting tool from the heart. You want to make sure you're in an area where it's going to land on the heart itself. You don't want to drag that tail and have a string coming off and ruin the heart shape, and then you'll end up with some gel in an area that you wouldn't want to. So that's one thing to pay attention to. Yeah, just practice this. Sometimes I tried this, I actually did a video on this probably 2 years ago, and it was my very first time doing it. I really didn't have any practice, but it was on those tips, and it was on some other size tips, and so I had more room for more hearts, and I was surprised how well it went. I think I did better my first time on my heart shapes, but I think it's because of the room that I had to work on. But that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.